Namaste all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today we will discuss about the ELISA, which is enzyme-linked immunoabsorbent assay. Enzyme-linked immunoabsorbent assay term was coined by the Engel and the Biermann in 1971. There are three types of ELISA: sandwich, indirect, and competitive. Similar to the RAI, expect to the no radio label can be used to detect both antibody and the antigen. Very sensitive and they relies to the monoclonal antibodies. How to do indirect ELISA? Antigen coated well, wash it properly, add specific antibody to the measure. After that wash, after add enzyme coagulate, secondary antibodies. After that add substrate and the measure color. In the sandwich ELISA, antibody coated well. After that wash, add antigen measured. After add enzyme coagulate, add secondary antibodies, add substrate and the measure color. In the competitive ELISA, incubated antibody and the antigen to the measured, add mixture antigen antibody mixture to the antigen coated well, add enzyme conjugated secondary antibody, add substrate and the measure color. In sandwich ELISA, two antibodies required, must recognize different epitopes. First antibody is referred to as a capture antibody. Second antibody is detection is the antibody. Second antibody is the biotinylated and the enzyme commonly used for HRP, horseradish peroxidase, and the AKB called as the alkaline phosphatase. Substrate is TMB chromosins. ELISA plate has a 96 well plates made of plastic on which protein can be absorbed or bind easily, usually done overnight at the rate 4 degrees Celsius. Especially buffer used that will be denature antibody and the maximize bindings. Blocking steps ensure to the empty space are the left and the blocking region is often 10% of FBS. Then after you can observe the standard curves. Serial dilution of the cytokines being measured and the exact concentration needed, and then you can take your optical density. Sensitivity of ELISA is the typical, the lowest cytokine concentration that can be detected above negative control, and depending on the antibody pair used of the sensitive varies. And the binding solution is required for the foramen recombinant regions for the antigen and antibody reaction, and for the blocking region is the FBS 10% or FBS and PBS required. And this is the general procedure of ELISA, and this is about the ELISA. You can identify the particular linked as I through the ELISA. Thank you.